Hey, it's DaGamersCorner. It's a different type of video today. We're doing the testing of the new camera. I forget what it's called. I'll tell you later. Once I get into the house, I'll just add another clip to this. And I made a video before of the unboxing of this camera. And yeah, I'm just getting some pictures and photos, or not photos, videos of the camera. So yeah. Here's one of the DaGamersCorner people jumping off the hill. It says it's supposed to be 1080p on the video type of. He hurt his butt, I guess. What'd you hurt? Yeah.
We're putting that on YouTube.
Yeah. Anyway, it's supposed to say 1080p on the camera. I've seen a lot of videos of the reviews of this camera and it came out of 1080p on YouTube, but I'm not sure about what it'll come out for me. So hopefully it will. But it's a garbage can, say 930 pounds. I don't know why, but okay, whatever. Carry on. Yeah, this is the, I guess, the video quality or the testing of the camera. I know it's named HP. It's a digital camcorder. I just can't remember all the stupid letters. And the numbers, I don't know why they do that. Oh, it's the V5061u digital camcorder made by HP. Anyway, that's all I have for this, and I'll get back to you with some more gaming videos soon.